Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Phone Edge and you are with Rahul. Fitness bands. The Samsung Gear Fit 2 Pro was and still is one of the best looking fitness trackers around, and this model reiterates the same statement. It's a brave new world for fitness trackers out there. While on one hand affordable fitness trackers like the Xiaomi Mi Band 2 are flourishing, and on the other hand notable makers of fitness trackers like Fitbit and Garmin are joining the smartwatch wagon. Around the front is a curved Super AMOLED that shines brighter with far more details than you'll find in an average wearable. The interface is oriented vertically, meaning all of the metrics can easily be read out without tweaking your head to the side, like we saw with the otherwise fantastic Microsoft Band 2. The Gear Fit 2 Pro is a solid performer in various use cases, whether you're a fitness enthusiast, the occasional jogger, or simply someone who fancies wearing a competent fitness tracker. Once connected to your phone, you will receive and send text, accept or deny calls, and be able to easily control your music through the device's native music player. More on the latter, this Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth connected wearable can stream Spotify wirelessly and connect to any set of Bluetooth headphones to speakers. There's special emphasis on swimming. The Speedo on tracker, your lap times, distance, strokes, and a nifty feature called Swolf to measure swimming efficiency. More importantly, the Gear Fit 2 Pro can track your heart rate in real time while exercising, so you can check when you're hitting your peak or when the fatigue starts creeping in. The heart rate sensor based on your testing was quite accurate. You can either keep it turned on all the time or set it to record your BPM frequently. Keeping it on all the time eats your battery. Over some time, the watch learns how your heart responds to different activities, and you can also tag different BPM measures according to whether you are resting, exercising, or even when you're in love. In addition, the Fit 2 Pro allows you to keep tabs on your caffeine and water intake through manual counters on the watch. You can also keep a tab on the weather and set a timer or a stopwatch. I also tracked my sleep patterns with the Gear Fit 2 Pro, and to be honest, it left a lot to be desired. The sleep tracking interface is now as in-depth as that of a Fitbit or a Garmin band. It just about does the job. From what I figured, the Gear Fit 2 Pro depends on your body movements to determine the quality of your sleep. Having said that, a fitness tracker only makes sense for someone who is highly inclined towards keeping themselves fit. The fact that the Gear Fit 2 Pro can handle notifications so well comes secondary to its fitness-centric features. Hence, it doesn't make much sense to buy it if you are only going to use it as a second screen to your smartphone. So that's all from me for Samsung Gear Fit 2 Pro Band. Hope you liked the video and keep watching, keep supporting. Stay tuned with Phone Edge.